Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python. Up till now we have gone through many videos on facial emotion recognition using Python. Our latest video was detection of facial emotion recognition using webcam, drowsiness detection using webcam, then drowsiness detection with yawning using webcam, detection of gender using webcam, detection of gender and age using webcam, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really interesting, so for that let us go through the Python file. First, all the four statements are the importing libraries required for the program needs to be imported. The next statement mp underscore face underscore mes, it is used for to estimate the 3D face landmark. Same mp, next statement mp underscore drawing is equal to mp solution used for draw the landmark points, and this all about the landmark and drawing thickness about this thing. Then starting the webcam, then prediction of emotion, dominant emotion like angry, happy, fear, these are the dominant emotion. Then drawing a rectangle around the face. Then the while loop is for drawing the rectangle around face. Then x and y coordinate, and cropping the image, real time real time webcam detection. Then emotion put on the webcam, the dominant emotions, and crop the webcam image and then show the frame, then quit when user press Q. And now I will execute the program. Yes, now I have cropped the image. Now it is happy. Yes, it is showing happy. Now fear, then neutral, sad, then yes, then yes, fear, sad, then yes, then yes, and the original image and crop image, and it is detecting the my image, that is eyes, nose, each and everything it is detecting, and crop image is there. So I have successfully done with real time emotion detection with crop using Keras. I had taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.